and tafsir. And the book he has, he gives a lot of adillah in favor of celebrating the birthday, in favor. Like Husn al-Maqsad and many rasail there is in there attached, miracles of Rasulullah. The book is full of true and false, all kinds of stories. He says it's in Ramadan. Allama Jalaluddin Suyuti rahimahullah, Sahibul Jalalain, one of the Jalals of Jalalain. According to him is Ramadan, and I believe it's 12th of Ramadan in Al-Khasa'is Al-Kubra, 12. And Shaykhana Abdul Qadir Jilani rahimahullah, Sayyidul Arifin, no doubt. I love him and I believe in many of his karamat. He actually comes up with a date in Muharram on Ashura. So you see,